Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus TP412FA. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this, it's likely that your Asus TP412FA has developed a cracked screen. This issue can occur due to drops, pressure, or even temperature changes. If left unrepaired, a cracked screen can worsen, leading to display issues or even exposing internal components to damage. Now, let's get into the tools needed for this repair. You will require a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement screen specifically for the Asus TP412FA. Ensure you have a clean, flat workspace to carry out your repair. To begin the repair, power off your device completely and disconnect it from any power source. Next, using your plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover of the device. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back cover is removed, you will see the internal components. The cracked screen is connected via a ribbon cable, which you will need to locate. Gently disconnect this cable using your tweezers. Be careful not to pull on any other cables nearby. After disconnecting the screen, you will need to remove any screws securing it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Remember to keep track of the screws and their locations. Once all screws are removed, you can lift the cracked screen out of the frame. Take your new replacement screen and position it carefully into the frame. Reconnect the ribbon cable securely, ensuring it clicks into place. Once everything is connected, replace the screws you removed earlier, applying gentle pressure to secure them without over-tightening. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully snap the back cover back onto your device, ensuring all clips are firmly in place. Power on your Asus TP412FA to check if the new screen works correctly. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider using a protective case or screen protector. Additionally, be mindful of where you place your device to avoid accidental drops. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.